The last two lessons in this course are about placing and answering a call on your iPhone. This lesson will focus on placing a call. From your home screen, find your phone icon. It's a white phone on a green background. It'll probably be in your dock, but it may be with the rest of your apps. Tap the phone icon. You will probably default to your keypad. If not, look at the menu at the bottom of the screen and tap Keypad. Tap out the number you want to call. You have to tap out the area code and the 7-digit number, even if it's a local call. Then tap the green button. If the person you're calling is listed in your contacts, you'll see their name. We'll cover contacts in a different course. You can tap on the audio button to choose to hear audio through your iPhone's external speaker, meaning you can just hold the phone in front of you, or the internal speaker, meaning you'll need to hold the phone up to your ear. After the person you're calling answers and you complete your conversation, tap the red button to end the call.